Manza, hey man. Welcome to the Yarra Valley. You're about to go skydiving for the first time?
Second time.
Second time. How are you feeling this time around?
Good. Not nervous this time.
We'll see what happens when we go up there.
Yeah,
hey?
yeah. When the door opens.
Well, look, I wish you the best.
Thank you.
Let's go. Hey, welcome back.
Thank you.
What do you think of that?
Awesome. Awesome for the second time as well.
How'd you go?
Yay, it was good. I'll come back again.
Let's go again.
Yay.
Hey, thanks man. Thanks
you.
for jumping with us.
Thank
See you
so
later.
See ya.
Bye.